Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to revise a quiz on atoms, elements and molecules. This is going to help you if you are studying O-level chemistry and O-level combined science. The first question is reading, all matter consists of particles called A. units, B. atoms, C. cubes, and D. pins. We are going to select atoms as our answer. Atoms are the fundamental particles that make up all matter. They are the building blocks of elements and molecules. Atoms are composed of protons, neutrons, and electrons. They combine in various ways to form different substances and give them their unique properties. Therefore, the correct answer is atoms. Second question. Atoms consist of parts called protons, neutrons, and dash. A. electrons, B. haptons, C. neptons, D. wontons. We are going to select electrons as our answer. Atoms consist of parts called protons, neutrons, and electrons. Electrons are negatively charged particles that orbit around the nucleus of an atom. They are responsible for the chemical behavior of atoms as they participate in chemical reactions and determine the bonding between atoms. Without electrons, atoms would not be stable and will not be able to form compounds. Third question. Each proton has a dash electrical charge. We are going to select positive as our answer. Each proton has a positive electrical charge. This is because protons are subatomic particles that carry a positive charge. They are found in the nucleus of an atom and are equal in magnitude to the negative charge of an electron. The positive charge of protons is essential for the overall electrical neutrality of an atom as it balances out the negative charge of electrons. Fourth question. Each electron has a dash electrical charge, A positive, B negative, C neutral, D shocking. We are going to select negative as our answer. Electrons have a negative electrical charge. This is a fundamental property of electrons, which are subatomic particles that orbit the nucleus of an atom. The negative charge of electrons is equal in magnitude to the positive charge of protons, the other subatomic particles in an atom. These balances of positive and negative charges allow atoms to remain electrical neutral. Fifth question. Each neutron has an electrical dash charge, A positive, B negative, C neutral, D shocking. We are going to select neutral as our answer. Neutrons are subatomic particles that do not carry an electrical charge. Unlike protons, which are positive, and electrons, which have a negative charge, neutrons are electrically neutral. This means that they do not attract or repel other charged particles. Instead, they interact with other particles through the strong nuclear force which binds atomic nucleus together. Sixth question. The nucleus of an atom contains protons and dash. A electrons, B haptons, C neutrons, D wontons. We are going to select neutrons as our answer. The nucleus of an atom contains protons and neutrons. Protons have a positive charge, whilst neutrons have a no charge. Together, protons and neutrons form the nucleus, which is the central part of an atom. Electrons, on the other hand, are found outside the nucleus in electron shells. Haptons and wontons are not relevant to the structure of an atom and are not found in the nucleus. Seventh question. Electrons move around dash the nucleus. A inside, B outside, C on top of, D without. We are going to select outside as our answer. Electrons move around the nucleus of an atom in specific energy levels or shells. These energy levels are often represented as circles around the nucleus. The outermost energy level, known as the valence shell, is where electrons are located. Therefore, the correct answer is outside, as electrons are found outside the nucleus. Then eighth question. An element is determined by the number of dash, also known as its atomic number. A, neutrons, B, electrons, C, protons, D, wontons. We are going to select proton as our answer. An element is determined by the number of protons, which is also known as its atomic number. This atomic number of an element uniquely identifies it and determines its position on the periodic table. The number of protons in an atom determines its chemical properties and its identity as a specific element. Neutrons, electrons, and wontons do not determine the identity of an element. Neutrons and electrons contribute to the overall properties and behavior of an atom, but they can vary within the same element, resulting in different isotopes and ions. Wontons are a type of food and have no relevance to the concept of atomic structure. The ninth question. The modern periodic table is organized by dash atomic number. A, increasing, B, decreasing, C, reducing, and D, developing. We are going to select increasing as our answer. The modern periodic table is organized by increasing atomic number. This means that elements are arranged in order of their atomic numbers, which represents the number of protons in an atom's nucleus. This arrangement allows for elements with similar properties to be grouped together in the same column, which is known as a group or family. By organizing the periodic table in this way, it becomes easier to understand and predict the behavior and characteristics of different elements. Final question. A dash is a combination of two or more atoms that are held together by covalent bonds. A, moles, B, ions, C, molecule, and D, megatrons. We are going to select molecules as our answer. A molecule is a combination of two or more atoms that are held together by covalent bonds. In a covalent bond, atoms share electrons to achieve a stable electron configuration. Therefore, a molecule is formed when atoms come together and share electrons, resulting in a stable structure. Molecules can be simple, consisting of only two atoms, or complex with many atoms which are bonded together. Examples of molecules include water. This marks the end of our tutorial today on quiz of atoms, elements, and molecules. Thank you so much, guys, for following me on this channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my videos. I love you all. This is Eve signing out.